का जो हम लोग एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट किया था वो सर्वेयर का एग्ज़ाम था। तो उसमें हमारा जो आफ्टर वेरिफिकेशन ना उनका 1574 कैंडिडेट्स था और उसमें से ये आपका स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स 48 और एक्चुअल जो कल का दिन में जो अपीयर किया था इन ऑल द 3 एग्जाम वेन्यूज वाज 1166। तो हमारा जो एग्जामिनेशन है वो आपका 3 वेन्यूज में किया गया था। वन वाज गवर्नमेंट हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल ईटानगर, द सेकेंड वाज अरुणाचल प्रदेश पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन and the third was Dera Natum College. Basically, for the conduct of the exam, we entrust this responsibility with the Deputy Commissioner, who is also the District Superintendent of the exam. So, उनका responsibility होता है कि उनका तरफ से nodal officer of the concerned exam, then center superintendents, assistant center superintendents, और जितना आपका invigilators और MTS स्टाफ है वो लोग अपॉइंट करता है। तो आफ्टर अपॉइंटमेंट दे इंटीमेट अस, दे गिव अस द लिस्ट एंड आफ्टर द लिस्ट इज रिसीव्ड वी कॉल देम फॉर अ ट्रेनिंग टू ब्रीफ देम रिगार्डिंग द वेरियस ड्यूटीज दैट they are supposed to observe during the conduct of the examination day. And apart from that, we also from the side of the controller of examinations, we also send certain instructions which are to be followed in respect to the SOPs, because we have a standard operating procedure, so that is given to the district superintendent, and we ensure that these SOPs are followed in true letter and spirit. हाँ, एक्चुअली ऐसा है कि हम लोग जब एडमिट कार्ड इशू करता है तो एडमिट कार्ड का पीछे भी सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस है, तो उसमें क्लियर कट पूरा इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया जाता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द टाइमिंग, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द एंट्री। तो उसमें आपको क्या क्या आप प्रोहिबिटेड है पूरा उसमें आपका एडमिट कार्ड में दिया हुआ होता है ना। तो उसमें ऑब्वियसली मोबाइल्स, उसके बाद में अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एडमिट कार्ड and apart from the one document requiring identification, apart from these 2 documents, nothing else is allowed. This has been clearly written in the admit card in the very beginning itself. So right from the beginning of the examination procedure, the candidate knows beforehand that you are not supposed to bring these prohibitory items, and in case they bring in, it is also written that resorting to any unfair means will render rejection of your candidature and debarment either permanently or for a specific period. तो ये मान के चलता है कि कैंडिडेट का नॉलेज में होता है। Then apart from that, on the day of the examination, we ask the district superintendent to ensure that there is a frisking team in place at the exam venue, and also to ensure that there are separate personnel for male and female candidates. So this is in place in all the exam centers. So one is the admit card, where you are already told that you are not supposed to bring these certain items. Then secondly, we have the frisking team in place. Then apart from that, after the candidates take their seat in the examination hall, the invigilators also make an announcement. That is the 3rd stage. So in that stage also, in case a candidate by mistake also brings in, so there also they are given an opportunity to surrender by chance na mobile ya kuch laya, they are also given an opportunity. And then this time we have installed jammers in government higher secondary school and DN college, and APSC mein to already it is there in place. So these are the steps that we have taken to ensure that no kind of, to maintain transparency in the exam process.
We also get a report that one cadet has been debarred from SSB exams. So why did such things happen, and who is COE?
Yes, yesterday actually I was in the control room. So around 12:40 we had received a message from the observer who was on duty, informing us that a lady candidate has been caught with the mobile in the inside the exam hall. So immediately the controller of examination was informed, and then as per the laid down SOP, the center superintendent was asked to file an FIR and take an undertaking and all the other formalities which are required to be taken in such cases.
जो उनको डिबार्ट किया गया वो परमानेंट डिबार्ट किया गया या फिर कुछ समय के लिए?
अभी तक तो वो स्पेसिफिक वो नहीं दिया गया है. सो एक्चुअली वी आर वेटिंग फॉर पुलिस रिपोर्ट ऑल्सो. सो आफ्टर दैट जो है जो प्रोसेस जो करना है कर लेगा.
रिपोर्ट में ये भी एक बार देखा गया कि 2 लोगों का नाम है, तो कैंडिडेट कितना था और वो दूसरा वाला क्या वो भी कैंडिडेट था?
नहीं, यहाँ जो पकड़ा गया है एग्जामिनेशन हॉल से वो तो एक लेडी कैंडिडेट थी, एंड द अदर पर्सन वी ऑफ विच that has been reported, but we are not sure who it is. It has been the endeavor of APSSB to provide a very clean and transparent procedure of examination, so that meritorious candidates or deserving candidates get their due place in the different departments. So my message to the candidates who would be appearing in the future exams would be that please read the instructions properly that are being given on the website, that are being given in the admit card thoroughly, so that such lapses do not happen in the future. And taking an example from this recent incident, it should be a deterrent for you in future.